Hello friends, this is Aparna, bringing stories from the heart to your screen. In a small valley surrounded by mountains, there lived a young girl named Aarika. She was quiet, observant, and often underestimated by everyone. While other children ran and played, Aarika spent hours watching nature, the flowing river, the bending trees, and the mighty storms. She always wondered what true power really meant. One day, a severe storm hit the valley. Trees shook like frightened birds, and lightning tore through the dark sky. The entire village lost electricity, and the chaos filled the streets. People rushed to protect their homes, but the wind was merciless. Aarika saw an old woman struggling outside, her cane slipping on the wet ground. Without waiting, Aarika ran through the heavy rain and held the woman's hand. She guided her home step by step through the storm, pushed them back like an invisible giant. When they finally reached shelter, the old woman looked into Aarika's eyes and whispered, "You are stronger than you know." Aarika didn't fully understand until the next day. The storm had damaged the village water system. No one knew how to store it. Men argued, leaders blamed each other, and everyone was scared. Aarika remembered a natural spring she had once seen deep inside the forest. She stood up before the crowd and spoke, her voice trembling yet steady. "We can get water from the spring," she said. "Let's go together." The villagers hesitated at first. She was just a girl, but seeing her confidence in her eyes, they decided to follow. Aarika guided them through steep rocks, slippery paths, and thick bushes. With teamwork and courage, they made channels to bring water back to the village. When the first drop of water followed into the empty tanks, everyone cheered. Their thirst feels revived. Children laughed, and life returned to normal. The village elder walked to Aarika, placed a hand on her shoulder, and said, "Power is not in strength of the body, nor in loud words. Real power lies in courage, kindness, and the will to help others." That day, Aarika finally understood. Power is not meant to rule people, but to lift them up. What is the moral of the story is, real power is the ability to create change, to help, and to protect. Power should always be used for good, never to dominate, but to uplift.